Hey guys, it's Honesty. So welcome back to a new video. Thank you for clicking on my video. So first off, I'm sure you guys probably would have seen my name has been changed. If you haven't yet, my regular YouTube handle was Honesty Thompson, but no, I have added my official government name, Kerrian. So my channel now is Kerrian Honesty Thompson. I think it has been like that for probably 2 to 3 weeks now. If you haven't noticed, that's fine. If you do, that's fine. I wanted to keep the honesty in it because that's the way how I started out this channel, and I did not want to just change my name fully to my official name just yet, nor I don't think I will. I think I'm going to keep it as Kerrian Honesty Thompson. Want to keep it authentic as starting out with honesty, and then also reintroduce myself and let you guys actually know my official name. I think that's important because we are growing slowly but surely, and I think it's good for you guys to know my first my government name, which is okay with that. That is totally fine. Anyways, it's a Sunday, but I didn't say that. Happy Sunday to you all. This is going to be a productive one. Okay, I told you guys that I am starting. By the way, if I'm looking down, it's my laptop. I told y'all starting my new business adventure, which is my candle business. Super excited. Follow the page below is Sultry Wisco. It's an Instagram name. The launch date, I've officially put the launch date for, let me double check. The launch date is Friday, February 7th, 2025. That's literally around 10 days away. So we do have a lot of things to do. So what I need to do now, I have completed making all my candles that I have. I've literally run out of containers. The only containers that I have left is the one that I've been testing with. So everything is all set. I'm starting out with, I think it's 30 something candles, or I think it's almost 40 candles I am starting out with. And I'm launching 3 different scents. We're starting off very small based on the capital that I wanted to start with. So yeah, that's what we're working with, launching with 3 scents and around 30 plus containers. So I'm hoping when I launch February 7th, like all of them go. We're keeping our fingers crossed, but I do want all my stock to be sold out, so we can get that money, reinvest, and we're gonna grow. And I have so much plans for my new business adventure. So y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up, so of course I'm gonna be launching the Valentine. I'm launching a Valentine's Day collection candle, which makes sense, so I definitely have have all of that. I've printed all my labels, did all of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I need to do currently. I'm looking all over the place, but let me just settle about my mind. So what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna take probably like 2 candles, attach the label to them, and start to fix them up and how I want them to look. And I'm going to show you guys that as well, and the packaging as well. I need to get another packaging. I'm trying to find a company out here, because the packages that I had bought from a packaging for the candle, got those on Amazon. I won't be able to order anything right now for the launch because it's way too late. So anything that I need for the business currently, I'm gonna have to find it locally here. But I think I have everything all set up, but I really want to show you guys the candles and just a little peek of the Valentine's Day collection. So we're gonna head over there and show you guys that. And then also today I do have a event. I got invited. I'm my friend's +1. Hey Sue. I'm a +1 for my first corporate brand event. Super excited. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have already seen that story already. So if you guys want to keep up with me, please follow me on Instagram. Do you know that I opened the window and then something came in? I'm gonna turn back the mesh. Yeah, so I'm just super excited for the launch, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then after, I don't think, based on the time right now, it's pretty late and I really need to get ready for the event. The event starts, I think, I don't even know, I think 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock the event starts, so I don't know if I can get ready with me or whatever, but this is definitely going to be a productive day because it's actually going to my first brand corporate event, which is so cool. So nice Sunday, very productive day. I'm gonna dress very nice. It's actually a brunch. I'm definitely going to be in my brunch attire and all that jazz. So yeah, we're gonna scoot over to that table and try to get our packaging and our business together. All right, so I've actually went ahead and placed like 2 labels on these candles. So basically I'm starting off with 2 collections. One would be the original collection with the black and white label, which is this. And then this is, since I told y'all, you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, y'all know that. So I think it would have been best to launch a Valentine's Day collection, you know, just to get some buzz, and you know, it's the love month and also my birthday month as well. So yeah, so this is the label for the Valentine's Day collection, which is red and white. And then I've also added some this, you guys probably can't see, so I'll just give like a close-up video, but I've added, you know, some little hearts in it to represent Valentine's Day. Makes sense, huh? Which these hearts are pink, but I did do both red and pink hearts. But yeah, this is other collections that we're working with. And also, once you purchase like a candle from me, you will also get matches. I'm trying to figure out how many I should add in this. Currently, this is how many? 2, 4, 6. I'm thinking to probably add at least 8 to 10 strikes in here, and you guys will get this. And I also, you know, of course, have a label for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the labels right now, and then we're gonna place it on it and just see how the design looks with everything. Because what we're actually do, I need to take pictures as well today, so I can start posting on my Instagram page. Again, the Instagram page is Sultry Weeks CO, and I know I have a lot of international subscribers or viewers as well, but currently I'm only launching for my local here in Jamaica. If you're new to this channel, I live in Jamaica, Kingston. So if you guys are interested in purchasing candles, it won't be for the next couple of months that I will start offering international shipping. I just want to, you know, focus on my local people and the local businesses, and then eventually grow, which both international and be in stores, and you know, all of that, and you know, but we all, for every business person wants to, you know, get into the local stores and all of that. So we're gonna cut this in the interim, put it on the matches and see how it looks. By the way, I printed light under bottle, because under the bottle you have the strike, and I should have said strike under bottle instead of light under bottle. So I've printed so many of them, so I'm not gonna change it until these run out. But I wasn't thinking, girl, you wasn't thinking. With the matches, I actually do need to purchase more because I only bought 100 without not calculating and thinking, because I think I have almost 30 something bottles of candles, right? And I don't have enough strikes for each candle, so I'm gonna jump on Amazon after I'm finished with this, and then like, yeah, because I'm launching literally in like a week time. So this is the box. We're working with a white box, so I'm gonna try to get this together. Alright, so this is the container for each candle. So it's only like 1 candle per container. So what my next thing to do, which I'm going to do that weekend, is to go on the road and try to find, well, I have 2 places that I could visit that sells these stuff that I can just go there and ensure and just purchase some more packaging. So if someone orders 2 candles, I won't need to give them 2 of this. I can just give them a whole package which holds 2 candles and just give them, you know, 1 strike. I'll probably, you know what, I probably may put 2 strikes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it based on what the person's ordering, but for now I only have a single packaging to hold 1 candle, so we're gonna work on that. And we do have some crinkle paper. So this is for the Valentine's Day collection. The red goes in for each box, and what I'm actually need to get on the list too is some crinkle paper in black. Where I purchased this, they did not have any black, so I only just got the red for Valentine's collection. But for a weekend, I'm going to try to find that too. So we have 2 things on the list. Get a bigger packaging for 2 candles, and crinkle paper in black or even white, because the original collection is black and white. So I know you guys saw when I was packing up this package, I just needed to just test it to see how it is, how sturdy it is there anything I'll need to add to it. So I'm gonna be purchasing ribbons to tie around the box, you know. Starting out a little bit basic. When we are growing, I'm definitely gonna go a little bit more luxury. I am actually in the market of looking different containers to just have like a luxury collection. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be having my regular collection in this bottle, but I want to, you know, go a little bit luxury. So I will be launching a luxury candle. Hopefully, you know, we're seeing how our sales going on our business. Probably within the next 6 to 8 months, I'll be able to, you know, upgrade to a different container, which is what I really want. But yeah, so this container looks good. So the only thing I need to purchase right now is ribbons. I already have black bow ribbon to tie around the box, so I need to get red ribbons. I'm actually gonna make a list and add everything else I need to get. So I need a red ribbon, red ribbons, I need red tissue paper. I already have black tissue paper already, because what I do, I put the tissue paper at the base of it, then I added the crinkle papers. Yeah, so I need black crinkle paper. Oh, I need to get the matches from Amazon, Amazon to get some more, and I think that's it for now. So I already actually did some shorts off camera. Well, I'll probably insert it, or you guys follow my business page, you guys will be able to see it, where, you know, just a little story to bring out the launch. I'm gonna do this one as well, but it's only gonna be just for pictures. It's only going to be just for pictures because I don't have the crinkle paper as yet. Yeah, but I'm just gonna finish this up, y'all. Super excited for my launch, and like I said, you guys follow me on my regular Instagram page on Thompson 90, and my business page Sultry Wigs Co. You guys give that a follow. I'm just gonna finish this up. I need to start getting ready to go to the event, like I told y'all. It's definitely gonna be like a whole production, my first corporate event, and it's a brunch, so I'm gonna be in a nice cute dress. yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can keep up with other stuff, you know, that I do. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. We're gonna jump and start getting ready. I don't think I have time to like video and do a get ready with me for that, but you guys will see the little, you know, of what happened today. And yeah, bye.
Look out for it. You see statement balance and you see minute.